Listen, I am not the Green Arrow, so can you just let me go?
I believe you.
Generated by the voice.
Trevor, is that you?
No, he is not worthy to be Deathstroke. I am. And you may not be the Green Arrow, but you'll make the perfect bait.
Wait, bait.
We're going to use you as bait to lure the Green Arrow over here.
Generated.
Wait, what? No. No. No.
Generated.
Now send the package.
Why did you bring me here, Bionica?
Cause you can't keep worrying about when William will show up. You just need to have faith. A glass of alcohol will cheer you up.
I don't know if I'm in the mood to drink.
Generated.
Come on, I'm sure this will take your mind off it.
Generated.
All right, I remember when I met the Flash, and I called him the Woos.
Generated.
The woo is how, Ram. Mister, when I was kidnapped by my ex-boyfriend Trevor, I was in terror.
Generated.
I love that we're having a good time.
Me to
Generated by the voice.
Be a Queen Wee Wees at last.
Trevor, I thought you were in Iron